This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find the GPS coordinates of a location using Google Maps. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now and I have Google Maps opened up. There's a couple of different ways that you can go about finding the GPS coordinates of a location. One way is to type an address in the search bar up here. If you know the address of something, I'm just going to type in a random address here. And I'm going to tap on something here to select it. Now if I scroll this little bar upward, like so, right here you see the GPS coordinates of this location. If I tap on those GPS coordinates, you can see at the bottom there it says coordinates copied to clipboard. And I can text that to somebody or message it to somebody or email it to somebody. And to remove this pin, you just click on the X up here to remove that pin. Now let's say that I'm just going to pick a random spot here. I'm going to pick right here. And I'm going to put a pin here by I'm going to hold my finger on the screen in this location for about 3 seconds and a pin appears. And now the same thing, you just go to this bar down here, scroll upward, and there is the GPS coordinates of that location. But that is how you find the GPS coordinates of a location using Google Maps. Thanks for watching.